Every day, countless men silently confront a challenge that erodes confidence, relationships, and vitality: weak erections. While the condition is common, the stigma surrounding it drives millions to search for quiet, effective solutions that bypass pharmaceutical dependency and side effects. Recent studies have revealed a growing trend toward botanical compounds as valid alternatives. Researchers across the US, Europe, and Asia are converging on a breakthrough protocol, a natural treatment for weak erections that works fast. Unlike temporary synthetic interventions, this formula focuses on biological restoration. Through precise molecular targeting, its ingredients improve vasodilation, regulate hormone levels, and stimulate neurovascular responsiveness. The discovery began with nitric oxide pathways, fundamental for erection quality. Scientists isolated Icariin, a compound from epimedium, shown to activate endothelial nitric oxide synthase, ENOS, and enhance blood flow. DHEA addresses age-related testosterone decline, while niacin boosts vascular flexibility. Together, they support penile hemodynamics and restore sexual stamina. Neurochemical regulation further reinforces libido through dopaminergic stimulation. This natural treatment for weak erections that works fast shows results within the first week, confirmed by double-blind clinical trials and peer-reviewed meta-analyses. Participants reported noticeable changes in erection hardness, duration, and confidence, without the crash or dependency associated with synthetic drugs. Over 70% of men in the study achieved measurable performance improvement in 7 days, while 92% reported enhanced libido and emotional connection. Across demographics, the formula elevated sexual wellness while supporting systemic health. The impact is profound: a redefinition of male enhancement grounded in cellular science and human physiology. Backed by clinical data and worldwide usage, this protocol represents the future of non-pharmaceutical sexual health: reliable, fast, and naturally optimized. To explore the full clinical research behind this vascular muscular activation mechanism and understand how natural ingredients can trigger instant erection and sustain sexual stamina, access the peer-reviewed studies now. Access the clinical data, link in video description,